welcome back to my channel. That is, if you've ever been to my channel before. But if you haven't, then welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make printed leaves for our DIY K-pop inspired notebook. I'll be making a momoland K-pop notebook, and today we will make the leaves for that. The video for the whole project will be coming soon, so stay tuned. For this project, we need size A4 bond paper, printer, computer, and photo editing applications such as Photoshop. Notebook back cover to serve as pattern, pencil, cutter, and ruler. You may ask, why do we need 4A size sheets? 4A measures 8.27 by 11.69 inches. If we fold it once, it will equal to 2 sheets of notebook leaves. For the numbered paper, it depends on how many pictures you want. For this project, I will be printing 2 back-to-back images of the members, 3 unit photos, and 1 group photo. First, let's open a new project on Photoshop with a size of 4A paper. Okay. Next, we will open the images that we would like to use. For this project, I will be using momoland's 3 unit photos, then their group photo. Okay. Okay, so let's continue on to our project. Alright, so first we need to put the first 2 images onto our blank page. So I chose this one, and then we have to resize it. So the width should be until here, so 5.90. I'm not too sure, but as long as it's up until here. Okay, and the length should be 7 inches, or 8 inches rather. And then we have to rotate it. Okay. And then enter. Let's do the same to the second image. Okay, so this is the overall product. Okay, so we are now on the printing part. So we have to make sure that when we print it, we should use borderless printing, and make sure that there are no margins. So we have to adjust like this one. Have to make sure that it's 0 from the top, and then from the left it also has to be 0, and then click done, so it will apply the settings. Okay, so now let's print this baby. Okay, so this is our first page. I also forgot to tell you guys that it's better to use fast printing for this project. It's because if you use standard or high printing, there will be too much ink, and that will penetrate the other side. So it's clear enough to use fast, and it will not affect the other side. Okay? Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is to flip it, flip the other side, and then continue with the next printing. So now we will be printing the other side. Alright, the final step is cutting the paper into 2, and we will use this notebook back cover as a pattern. Alright, I already cut the sheet of paper into 2. As you can see, back to back, they're both printed. I use this notebook back cover as a pattern. I also trimmed the edges so they will have the same dimension as the back cover. And I will be using these 2 sheets on my next project, which will be a DIY momoland notebook. I'll put these 2 pages as like just inserts. Okay, just like how a photo book would look like. So I can't wait to see the finished product. And to be able to do that, I'll be using this single hole puncher. I will punch one side of the pages the same number as the notebook pattern. Okay, so thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much for staying, and see you next time.